Hello, in this viewer request video, I'm going to show you how to do the reverse row on your figure 8 stitch, which is your row coming back. So first of all, I'm not going to go into detail about how to do the figure 8 stitch itself. I'm just going to kind of show you as you wrap. And of course, I don't remember if the request was from a KB Super Afghan loom or a Serenity loom. Oh, I got a knot. But the concept is the same on both, so whichever loom it was, you just do the same thing. Whatever pegs you have marked, you skip your marked pegs, and you just go about doing your E-wrap. I'm trying to move this so it stays in the shot. Alright. But this can be a bit of a process. Alright, I'm getting closer to the end. Oh, I've got a knot coming up in my yarn. There we go, I got it. Alright, so this is your first row. So you go through, push that down. I'm not going to do it all the way to the end. But what you do, from this peg, this is the last peg you wrapped. You go down to the bottom peg, and you're going to follow that exact pattern. If you wrap it the opposite way, you will get a different design in the end. It won't look the same. Let's see, you just go all the way through. And anytime you're doing anything on these S-shaped looms, if you're doing something where you are skipping pegs, like a rake stitch like this, just completely ignore those pegs when it comes to your cast on, cast off, everything else. Just don't even think about that peg even being there at all. And when you go to do your cast off, I have some videos for cast offs. They don't show me doing the actual cast off on an S-shaped loom. But all you do is just picture this loom like it is a long flat one, just like all this is straightened out as a long board, and that's how you do the cast off. Which I'll put the link in the video in the description below of the cast off video I'm talking about. I did a video that shows, I think it has like 6 different ways you can cast off of your figure 8 stitches, which that's what this is. And like I said, it doesn't show me actually using a Serenity loom or any of the S-shaped looms on it. But you just picture this, because this is a big S shape, but this part right here is still the same. And again, when you come to your marked pegs, you just skip them in your cast off as well, because most of them will have you go from this one, this one, this one, this one, following that same pattern all the way through. But if you wrap this correctly, this is what it will look like. See, everything is the same. We don't have any stitches going the opposite direction. And if you get confused, all you got to do is just look at your previous row and just follow it. Alright, so that's all I really have for this one. I really do hope this helps. Any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.